Welcome to Lake Michigan Painting Company. We are located in Norton Shores, Michigan, alongside the waterfront of Lake Michigan in Muskegon County. We have been in business for 2 years with over 15 years experience in the painting industry. Our services include, but not limited to, residential, commercial structures, interior, exterior finishing, power washing services, deck and wood work staining and finishing, kitchen, cabinet repaints and staining, and drywall repair. If you have a project and would like a professional result with great customer service, then Lake Michigan Painting Company is for you. We offer free estimates. Call our office to set up an appointment at 231-246-7933 or email us at lakemichiganpainting@gmail.com. Also, visit our website for services and information about us at lakemichigangroup.com. Lake Michigan Painting Company, a Lake Michigan Group company.